Have you ever felt like you are constantly being pulled between being the one that everyone expects to lead and to fix things, and a deep, almost urgent need to withdraw, to recharge, and to protect your inner world? If that tension feels familiar, then you might be a 5-2 profile in human design, where the magnetic solution driven heretic meets the reserved, gifted hermit. Hi, everybody, welcome back to HPTV channel. I am Barbara, and today we are diving into what this unique profile truly means for you, how to honor both your public and your private selves, and how to navigate the delicate balance between being found but also retreating within yourself. Let's start by talking a little bit about what a human design profile actually is. Your human design profile is the character that you are here to embody in this lifetime. It is the dance between your conscious personality, how you see yourself, and your unconscious design, how others experience you. And for the 5-2, this means that you are a line 5, a heretic. You are seen as a problem solver, a visionary, the one who can shift perspectives and bring practical solutions. And on the other side, you're a line 2, a hermit. This means that you're naturally gifted, but that you crave deep solitude and privacy to cultivate your talents in your own terms. So let's dive into these two lines a little bit deeper, starting with the line 5, the heretic. The heretic draws people in effortlessly, often before you even realize it. Others project their hopes and their fears onto you, and they expect you to have all the answers and to lead them to solutions. And for you, this can feel both like a gift, but also a very heavy responsibility. You possess a natural knack for seeing what's missing and offering real world solutions. But beware of trying to fix everything, especially when your energy isn't aligned with their expectations. Your true power comes from setting clear boundaries around your availability and your influence. Now let's look a bit deeper at the line 2, the line of the hermit. Because beneath the surface, you are what is called the hermit. And this means that your soul's call is to rest, to have solitude, and to regenerate in peace. This also means that you might come across as effortlessly talented. And you are one of those people that have amazing talents. And when people ask you about it or talk to you about it, you think, oh, but everybody can do this. This is not something special. Do you recognize that? If so, leave me a comment below this video. But you also spend much of your time in private honing your skills and then recharging away from the noise. And this deep need for alone time is not just your personal preference, it is also essential for your well being and your authenticity. So the challenge is often feeling torn between, on the one hand, the hermit's desire to withdraw, to be an introverted hermit, but the heretic's external demands for your energy and your preference. Can you see how this would be like an ongoing internal conflict? So how do you then get to have the line 5 and the line 2 work together? Now, the relationship between the heretic and the hermit is sort of like a nuanced dance. You don't seek attention and you also don't actively seek leadership. The hermit prefers to be left alone, to be found rather than to chase. But the 5 line ensures that the world will find you. And when it does, your heretic energy calls you to step forward, to share your gifts, and to lead with clarity. And it's this tension between, on the one hand, the urge to hide, and on the other hand, the push to be seen, that can feel really exhausting to you. If you recognize this, leave me a comment. And Your greatest growth happens when you learn to honor your cycles of visibility and retreat. When you embrace that you are here to be called to action rather than to push yourself forward, that is when you create space for your gifts to shine authentically without burnout. Your power is in selective engagement, being fully present when you are invited and also fully withdrawn when you feel the need to recharge. And so when you honor both sides of yourself, then when you feel in the draw to be present, to come with solutions, to help people, then you're fully present in that invitation. But when it becomes too much and you feel that you need to withdraw and you need maybe to be alone or to go into nature, then that is also 100% fully withdrawn when you need to recharge. So, what are then some of the common challenges when you have a 5-2 profile? So, some of the common challenges that you might face is, for instance, the weight of projection. People often expect you to be their savior, to have all the answers, to come up with solutions, sometimes even before you are ready to give them. Another challenge could be balancing solitude with the social demands that are put on you. And this can mean that you feel pulled between your need to recharge, but also the pressure to want to lead. The third is setting boundaries without guilt. This is one I see often. So, what I see often with my clients is when you say no, this can feel like you are disappointing other people, but it is actually very necessary for your health. So, something that really helped me in this was the realization that when I say no to things that don't feel good, no to things when I'm not in the right energy, I'm actually saying yes to myself. Yes to keeping myself in balance. Yes to protecting my energy. Yes to caring so much about myself that I am not willing to give more than I can actually give in any certain moment. I hope that makes sense. Another one is the fear of being misunderstood. And your gifts may stay hidden or sometimes are misinterpreted because you aren't always on. And sometimes you're on when you're in your 5 energy, and sometimes you're off when you need to recharge, when you need alone time, and you're in your second line energy. And people who are not like this don't understand. It feels like you are on, off, here, there, and like you cannot make up your mind. And the last challenge that I want to share with you is when you are overextending yourself and when you are taking on too much because of external expectations. And people ask things of you and you want to be there for people. So you keep saying, yes, yes, I'll do that. Yes, I'll be there for you. Yes, I'll come to your party. Yes, I can make time for this. Yes, of course, I will help you with that. But by saying too much yes, by overextending yourself, you are risking exhaustion. So if any of these challenges resonate with you, leave me a comment below this video. So if you are a 5-2 profile, then know that your path is a powerful balance of influence and introspection. And your true strength lies in honoring your rhythms and showing up when the time is right. If this resonated with you at all, then I would love it if you would share your experiences in the comments. I would love to hear about your journey. And if you want deeper insight into your unique design, then I have a couple of options for you. The first one would be to get your unique BU by Design blueprint. This is a unique blueprint where I combine human design with the gene keys. It's 40 pages, it's handcrafted by me, and it will give you lots and lots of insight in who you are, your life up until now, and also insights with regards to your work or your business. If you want to go even deeper than that, you can join my BU by Design Mastermind, where you can study your design, your blueprint with like minded people on a similar journey that completely get where you're coming from and that are also um, invested in becoming the best version of themselves. You can also go deeper with a one-on-one clarity session with me, where I read your profile, where I read your design. This can either be a human design reading, a gene keys reading, or a combined reading. And the links to buy or look at any of these options are included in the show notes of this video, probably below this video. So check it out if you feel called. And if you loved this video and if you're new here, then it would mean the world to me if you would subscribe to the channel and maybe also turn on your notifications so that you will never miss another video again. For today, I wish you an amazing rest of your day, and I look forward to inspiring you with another human design video next week.